Jai Swaminarayan friends. In last video lecture, we have completed the all 6 function, graph and values. Right? Now and also we completed total 36 sums. Each function of 6 sums, so total 36 sums. Clear? Now we discuss the sum start and other formulas also. Here we write total 7 sum here. First we discuss this 7 sum. Look here. First sum, cos inverse cos 2 pi by 3. Cos inverse cos 2 pi by 3. Here cos inverse cos cancel. Directly answer 2 pi by 3 belongs to 0 to pi because here cos function. Is that clear? Our values always belongs to an interval in each function. Clear? Okay. Now second, sine inverse sine 2 pi by 3. Sine inverse sine 2 pi by 3. Here we do not write directly 2 pi by 3 answer. Why? Because our sine inverse range minus pi by 2, 0 and pi by 2. So here fourth and first quadrant, and this one is pi by 3, that is 60. 60 to the 120 in this quadrant. Right? So we do not directly this one answer. So first we simplify sine inverse sine as it is. In place of 2 pi by 3 we write here pi minus pi by 3. In place of 2 pi by 3 we write pi minus pi by 3. Now simplify. Pi here, pi minus which quadrant? Second quadrant. Sine function is positive. Okay. So sine inverse as it is, sine also as it is, because pi minus second quadrant, sine positive, and here pi. So function do not change. So pi by 3. Clear? Now sine inverse sine cancel. Answer is pi by 3. Now belongs to close interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Okay, done it. Now third number, tan inverse. First we explain fourth number. First we explain fourth. Tan inverse tan 5 pi by 4. Tan inverse tan 5 pi by 4. 5 pi by 4, that means pi by 4 45. 45 5s are 225. Okay. So 225 is in the third quadrant, 180 to 270. Right? Okay. So now tan inverse, again we simplify because tan inverse function's condition is open interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Right? So our values are always belongs to in this interval. Clear? Okay. So tan inverse as it is, tan as it is. In place of pi 5 pi by 4 we write here pi plus pi by 4. Pi plus pi by 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 plus 1, 5 pi by 4. Okay. Now pi plus which quadrant? Third quadrant. Pi plus third quadrant, tan function positive by the rules of all STC. So tan positive, answer 10 pi by 4. Now tan inverse tan cancel, answer pi by 4 belongs to open interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 because here tan inverse function. Is that clear? Okay. Now we discuss third sum. Tan inverse tan 3 pi by 4. Tan 3 pi by 4. Pi by 4 45. 45 3 is 135. 135 again outside the quadrant because our condition minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Okay. Now again simplify here. Tan inverse tan as it is. In place of 3 pi by 4, pi minus pi by 4. Now pi minus which quadrant? Second. Second quadrant, tan is the negative because the rules of all STC. So answer is minus 10 pi by 4. Right? Here you can write both two methods. First method minus 10 pi by 4. This one only bracket minus 10 pi by 4. You can write also 10 minus pi by 4 because 10 is an odd function. First method this one. Otherwise you can also write here. We already given this formula, tan inverse minus x equal to minus tan inverse x, right? So tan inverse, this is your minus x. This is your minus x. So we write here minus tan inverse 10 pi by 4. Clear? Now tan inverse 10 cancel. Answer is minus pi by 4. Belongs to open interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Answer always same. You can solve any method. Okay? This is your third sum. So we have completed 1, 2, 3, 4. Now fifth sum. Now fifth, sixth and 7 are different sum. In first four sum. Look here. Outside the function cos, inside the sine. Here outside sine, inside the cos. Here sec and cosine. Okay? So first we try to same function. Now calculate fifth sum. Cos inverse sine pi by 7. So here outside the cos inverse, right? So here we will try to sine function convert to cos function. Remember our 11 sines formula. Sine theta equal to cos 90 minus theta. Okay? So here sine theta equal to cos 90 minus theta. Okay? Now look here, function say. Clear? So cos inverse cos cancel. Answer pi by 2 minus pi by 7. Now cross multiplication. 7 pi minus 2 pi upon 40. So answer 5 pi by 40. Okay? Clear? So now this here belongs to here cos function. Which condition? 0 to pi. Okay? Clear? Do you understood? Okay. Now sixth question. Same exactly. Sine inverse cos pi by 5. Pi that is 180. 180 divided by 5, 36. 36 pi is 180. Okay. Again we write the complement. Again we write the complement. So sine inverse, in place of cos theta we write here sine 90 minus theta. Cos theta equal to sine 90 minus theta. Now sine inverse sine cancel. So pi by 2 minus pi by 5. Again cross multiplication. First we write LCM 10 minus sine as it is. 5 pi minus 2 pi. Answer is 3 pi by 10. Here function sine. So minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Is that clear? Okay. Now seventh sum. What's the seventh? Sec inverse cosec pi by 8. Clear? We have already find the value of the pi by 8 sine and cos function. Remember it in 11 sines. Here sec inverse. Now here cosec. So cosec theta equal to sec 90 minus theta. Sec inverse sec cancel. Pi by 2 minus pi by 8 our answer. But here we simplify. Here denominator 8 and here 2. First we multiply by 4. This one. Multiply by 4. Numerator and denominator 4 pi upon 8. 4 ones are 4 pi, 2 4s are 8. And minus pi by 8. 4 pi minus pi. 3 pi by 8. Here sec inverse function belongs to which one? Close interval 0 to pi minus pi by 2. Okay? Clear? Now we discuss another 7 sum. Now in this different method. Some different method. This method is also called substitution method. Substitution method. Here in each and every sum, look here. here the coefficient of the function. 2 is the coefficient, but 2 is the 1 by 2, 3, 2, 1 by 2 and 3. Right? Okay, so we compulsory this substitution method. Another method is also possible, but we do not have explain the formula. Right? Now here first substitution method we explain. Look here, cos of 2 sine inverse 3 by 4. Always suppose this function, always this one. So first we sine inverse 3 by 4 equal to theta. Sine inverse 3 by 4 equal to theta, where theta belongs to close interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 over sine inverse domain. Right? Clear? Okay. Now we have already explained in this chapter sine inverse theta equal to suppose x. Now both sides multiply by sine, both sides equal to sine x. Now sine into sine inverse cancel, answer theta, theta equal to sine x. Clear? But our concept is what? Now sine inverse is left side. Now in the right side you can write sine x. You can write sine. Clear? Simple function. So we do not write this step. We directly write this one. Theta equal to sine x. Okay? Clear? So we write here sine inverse in the right side. So sine theta equal to 3 by 4. Is that clear? Okay. Now put your substitution in formula, quotient. In a quotient. Now what the quotient? Cos 2 and sine inverse 3 by 4 equal to theta. So cos 2 theta. Now our cos 2 theta formula, total 3 formula. Total more than 3, but most important 3 formula. First one, 2 cos square minus 1. Second one, 1 minus 2 sine square. Third one, cos square minus sine square. We use this one because our sine theta's value is given. Right? So cos 2 theta equal to 1 minus 2 sine square theta. Cos 2 theta equal to 1 minus 2 sine square theta. 1 upon 1, 2 sine square theta, 9 by 60. Go by the rules of BODMAS. Multiplication first. 1 by 1, 9 by 8. Now here 8 by 8, 9 by 8. Here denominator same, 9 is the bigger number, so answer is the negative. 9 minus 8, 1. So answer is minus 1 by 8. Clear? Okay. Now second question. Sine 2 tan inverse 4 by 5. 2 tan inverse 4 by 5. Here first we suppose tan inverse 4 by 5 equal to theta. Always suppose this function. Tan inverse 4 by 5 belongs to theta. Theta belongs to open interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Now tan inverse in right side, so our value tan theta equal to 4 by 5. Okay? Now what's the question? Sine 2 theta. Sine 2 theta. Now our sine 2 theta formula by the tan theta. We use the tan theta because our given is tan theta. Right? So sine 2 theta formula in tan theta terms 2 tan upon 1 plus tan square theta. 2 tan upon 1 plus tan square theta. 2 tan theta equal to 4 by 5. In the denominator 1 by 1. Tan theta equal to 4 by 5. Here square. So we write here 16 upon 25. Multiplication 8 upon 5. In the denominator we take LCM. 25 ones are 25 plus 16 upon 25. Now simplify. 8 upon 5 upon 25 plus 16. 41 upon 25. Okay. Now 8 upon 5 as it is. This is your reciprocal and multiplication. 25 upon 41. Denominator of the denominator is called numerator. Okay, so 8 5 5 25. Now multiply 8 5 40 upon 41. Okay, clear? Done. Now third. Our second question and similar to next one. This one. Sine 2 tan inverse 4 by 5 here. Sine 2 tan inverse only 2 by 5. Right? Try it yourself. Okay? Solve it yourself. Now third question. Tan square. Exactly third and this one both are same. Tan square 1 by 2 cos inverse 3 by 4. Tan square 1 by 2 cos inverse 3 by 4. Okay? So now suppose cos inverse 3 by 4 equal to theta. So cos theta equal to 3 by 4. Clear? Here condition is theta belongs to 0 to pi. Now solve question. Tan square 1 by 2 into theta. So we write here theta by 2. We write here theta by 2. Tan square theta by 2 formula. 1 minus cos theta. 1 plus cos. Now put here value. 1 by 1 cos theta is 3 by 4. 1 by 1 3 by 4. Now in numerator and denominator cross multiplication. Both of the LCM are same. So LCM cancel. Cross multiplication. 4 ones are 4. 3 ones are 3. Again 4 ones are 4 and 3 ones are 3. So 4 minus 3 1 and 4 plus 3 7. Clear? Okay. Now fourth sum. Cos 3 cos inverse 2 by 3. First we suppose cos inverse 2 by 3 equal to theta. Theta belongs to 0 to pi. So cos theta equal to 2 by 3. Clear? Okay. Now our question. Cos 3 theta. Our cos 3 theta formula 43 4 cos cube minus 3 cos. Remember? Okay, 4 cos cube 8 by 27. 3 cos theta is 2 by 3. Okay, multiplication here first. 8 4s are 32 upon 27. Here 3 3 not cut. If you are here cancel, then again we take LCM. Okay. So here 6 by 3. Here 3 2s are 6 by 3. Now we try to same denominator. 32 by 27. Here multiply by 9. 3 9s are 27. So 9 6s are 54 upon 27. Here 54 is the bigger number. 27 denominator same. So answer will be negative. 4 minus 2 2. 5 minus 3 2. So our answer is minus 22 by 27. Clear? Now this one. Sine of 2 cos inverse 4 by 5. Cos inverse 4 by 5 equal to theta. Theta belongs to 0 to pi. So our question is sine 2 theta. Our sine 2 theta formula 2 sine theta cos theta. Right? But our only value is given cos theta. Here therefore cos theta equal to 4 by 5. Only cos theta is given, sine theta is not here. So first we draw the right angle triangle. Okay, cos theta equal to adjacent side upon hypotenuse by the Pythagoras, opposite side 3. Clear? So we write here 2 sin theta opposite upon hypotenuse, cos theta adjacent upon hypotenuse. So multiply numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 upon 25. Clear? Okay. Now this one. Here this sum, sin inverse 2 by 3 equal to theta. 2 by 3 equal to sin theta. Theta belongs to close interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Okay. So our question, tan square 1 by 2 into theta, that is theta by 2. Okay. Tan square theta by 2. Again tan square theta by 2. Already done it here. 1 minus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta. Whatever values of sin theta, here not possible sin cos theta. So first we draw the again right angle triangle. This is your theta. Sin theta equal to opposite upon hypotenuse. By the Pythagoras rules, find adjacent. Here 3 square is 9, 2 square is 4. 9 minus 4, 5. Square root of 5 is not possible. Okay. So 1 by 1 cos theta equal to adjacent upon hypotenuse root 5 by 3. 1 by 1 root 5 by 3. Now cross multiplication numerator and denominator. Here 3 minus root 5. In the denominator 3 plus root 5. Both of them denominator is same, so will be cancel. Now by the rules of the 10th standard, denominator always rationalize. So we try to rationalize, multiply 3 minus root 5, 3 minus root 5, because here a plus b already given. So we multiply a minus b. So our identity, a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square, a square minus b square. And numerator a minus b same bracket 2 times, so whole square. 3 minus root 5 whole square. Now numerator expansion a minus b whole square formula. Apply the formula. A square minus 2 3s are 6 root 5 plus b square. Root 5 square is 5. And denominator 3 square is 9. Root 5 square is 5. 9 plus 5, 14 minus 6 root 5 upon 9 minus 5, 4. Now 2 is the common. So bracket 7 minus 3 root 5 upon 2 2s are 4. 2 cancel. So 7 minus 3 root 5 upon 2. Clear? Okay. Done. Now 7th sum. Sine of 3 sine inverse 1 by 2. So we suppose sine inverse 1 by 2 equal to theta. Theta belongs to close interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So sine theta equal to 1 by 2. Clear? Now our question, sine 3 theta. Sine 3 theta. This is your theta. Okay? Our sine 3 theta formula 34. 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Okay. 3 sin theta equal to 1 by 2. 4 sin cube equal to 1 by 8. 1 by 2 whole cube equal to 1 by 8. By the rules of Bodmas, multiplication first. So here we write 3 by 2. Here 4 2 8. Here 1 by 2. Now denominator will be the same. Direct subtract numerator. 3 minus 1. 2 by 2. Answer is a 1. Okay? Clear? Thank you very much.